Friends and family. There's nothing more important in life than them. That's why the big brands reward their partners with the opportunity to design an exclusive pair, especially for friends and family. In this video, we discuss 15 F&F pairs that you haven't seen yet in any of our other videos. Let's start with one that's a tiny bit under the radar. Number 1. Nike by Readymade Blazer Mid. In 2021, Nike and Readymade teamed up for a collaboration on the Blazer Mid with a never-seen result. An element of sustainability is introduced in this blazer, and it looks totally different than the ones we're used to. A lot of the F&F pairs are iterations of the public release, and the public release from Readymade consisted out of a black and white version. The cool thing about this one is it's under €1,000, and some sizes are even available for around retail. Number 2. Air Max 270 by Travis Scott. Another short one of an F&F pair that remains a little bit under the radar. It doesn't catch too much hype, but it's an extremely rare shoe. It is an iteration of this pair, and as you can see, there is only one big difference. The remarkable reverse swoosh, which is such an important trademark of the current sneaker era. Prices are differing, but if you're patient, you should be able to attain one for around €5,000. Number 3. Dunk SB by Pete Parra. In the year 2021, this dunk was released in collaboration with Parra. The one that we're seeing now is the public pair, and the one we are seeing now is the friends and family version of the release. Dutch designer Pete Parra has a long and storied history with Nike and became somewhat a legend in the sneaker community. Later in this video, we will show you a few more of his designs. The price of this piece of art is approximately €2,500. Ho ho ho! Hold your horses! We plug a lot of people, but this is something that even we can't do. Hit that subscribe button and plug yourself with the most diverse and interesting sneaker content there is. And now, back to the video. Number 4. The Jordan 1 High Colette. After 20 years, the designer store Colette in Paris closed its doors in 2017. The Jordan brand decided to say goodbye with a stunning gift for friends and family only. This Jordan 1 is one of the most coveted shoes in existence. The 1997 on the heel of the left foot and the 2017 on the heel of the right foot, in combination with the Au Revoir in the ice sole, covers the whole story of Colette. It's hard to put a price tag on it, but I found one in my size for €24,000. Number 5. Air Force Low Tiffany. The Air Force 1 Tiffany released in 2023, and ever since the announcement, it's made an unreasonable impression on the sneaker market. It's a grail since the first photo surfaced, and high retail reveals the quality that you can expect on this shoe. The friends and family version of the Tiffany's has the same colorway, but the pattern is vice versa. It's a big discussion amongst sneakerheads about which colorway is the flyest, but the rich sneakerheads seem to prefer the one with the highest price tag. So, for how much are these going for? I'm glad you asked. €15,000. Number 6. Dunk SB Diamond Yellow. To stay in the Tiffany topic, Diamond Supply is the brand who released the legendary Tiffany SBs in 2005. In 2018, they got another chance to release something legendary. They released a sequel of 3 SBs with a removable swoosh. The black ones were available at Nike and selected retailers. The white ones were a skate store only release, and the yellow ones are the friends and family pair. They came in the legendary pink box and have the OG Diamond SB logo on the tongue. It's an extremely rare shoe, but not as hard to find as other friends and family pairs. If you are patient enough, you can probably get your hands on this pair for around €7,500. Number 7. Air Max 1 Parra. The second Pete Parra collabo in this video, and now we're discussing the F&F iteration from the Air Max 1 Parra. This pair is swooshless and represents a piece of art on a shoe made by Pete himself. It has the unique colorway that is represented many times in his artwork. The release included a Nike Zoom Spiridon, the Air Max 1, and a tracksuit. It was a major release where everyone was waiting for. At this moment, you can get your hands on this pair for around €3,000. Adidas NMD China Happy Pack. Pharrell Williams, the ambassador of the Adidas NMD, made a China exclusive version called the Happy Gold. It is rumored that only 300 pairs went to friends and family. Its metallic gold accents are clearly his sneaker's centerpiece, but its upper comes embroidered with Happy on the right sneaker and his corresponding Chinese character on the left. It is very hard to find, but it should be costing you around €2,500 easily. Number 9. The Jordan 1 High OG Utility Across the Spider-Verse. To celebrate the Spider-Verse movie from Spider-Man, they released the Jordan 1. Once this was landed and people got their hands on them, a friends and family pair surfaced. Limited to 100 pairs worldwide, it will be extremely hard to find this one. The shoe is distributed only amongst those at the Jordan brand and friends and family of Sony Pictures. Even though a lot of people are searching for this pair, there are no recorded sales yet to be found. Number 10. Jordan 5 Fresh Prince. Will Smith, the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, once spotted in a laceless Jordan 5 in one of his episodes. He got the chance to collaborate with Nike in order to re-release them as on the picture, without laces, as that was the thing around the time. Also, this one got a friends and family pair that is rumored to be limited to 23 pairs only. However, we can find way more confirmed sales on this one, and price varies a bit between the €2,000 and €3,000 range. Let's give them a €2,500. Number 11. Air Max 1 Master White. Released in 2017 as an iteration of the Air Max 1 Master, this is one of the cases that you are wishing that they would make the white one the public pair. The black one is dope, but the white ones are fire. This one is extremely hard to find, and it's hard to place a price tag on them, but it should be a lot. Number 12. Air Max 1 Albert Hein. And the same goes for the Albert Hein Air Max 1s. Another friends and family release where Pete Parra is involved. It was originally a release in collaboration with the Dutch supermarket Albert Hein, but it got pulled. However, they still released a few pairs amongst the employees and friends and family. As just told, it's hard to put a price tag on these ones. Number 13. Air Max 1 Animal Pack. And the same goes for the friends and family pack of the Air Max 1 Animal, or the Animals 3.0. The first iteration, derived from 2006, has a white upper, and the second one, released in 2018, had a black upper. With this release, they released the F&F version as well, with an orange upper. This is a grail for many, due to that it's an Atmos release. You will probably have more chance of finding them in Japan than anywhere else in the world. Number 14. Dunk SB Low Girls Don't Cry. A Japanese exclusive for the public pair of the Girls Don't Cry version of Nike Dunk SB. And what about the friends and family version? This extremely hard to find shoe is a pretty low-key shoe that is a straight hit amongst Dunk SB lovers. Due to that, it was a Japanese exclusive. It is extremely hard to find, and people are willing to pay a lot of money for these. If you're able to find your size, expect to need around €10,000. Number 15. The Air Force 1 by Louis Vuitton. Virgil Abloh, without a doubt the best designer of this era, had the honor to be working with Nike many times. He's made many Air Force 1s, and ever since he became the creative director of Louis Vuitton, he made it possible to do a three-way. And instead of making one friends and family version, he created 8 of them, all in crazy colorways and highly coveted. Pairs like this were auctioned in places like Sotheby's, and therefore it's hard to place a price tag on them. However, the estimate on their website is between €40,000 and €60,000. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's extremely important to like, subscribe, and to wash behind your ears. We've got so much more to tell you about sneakers, and hope to have you back soon. Later.